What's poppin', you guys? How y'all doing this week? If y'all new here, my name's Ciara, and this is Self-Made Energy, where we want for nothing because we can manifest anything. This week, you guys, I wanted to channel my inner mean girl and make my own little burn book, but I wanted to make it a little special, throw a little razzle-dazzle in there. So, I decided to make a burn book bag. Yes, you heard me, a burn book bag. It's going to be a functional burn book, but I'm actually going to use it as a purse. So, let's get into it because it came out fire and we don't even need to talk about it no more. You just need to see it. So, let's go. Oh yeah, by the way, before we head into that, of course, I do actually have something to say. Don't forget about the giveaway that I have going on, my 100 subscriber giveaway. Look back 2 videos, you can win a Zombabie. I have my little Zombabie right here for you. Oh my god, so excited. I can't wait for one of y'all to get this little baby. But yes, to that 100 subscriber giveaway and see if you get a chance to win this little baby right here. The rules are in the previous video, but yes. Actually, I'll put them in this description too, just in case. But that's it. No more hints. You gotta watch the content to get the content. Hello. But yes, let's get into it for real. Okay, so boom. In order to make this burn book bag, I needed a book. So here's what I got. But I can't use this like this. So the first thing I'm gonna do is cover it in a whole mess of gesso. Did you see that? I really put way too much, but that one glop was able to cover the entire surface, front and back. So I was happy. Didn't waste much. It was like the perfect amount. But yeah, anyway, I'm doing a lot of talking about this glob of paint that's really unnecessary. You see what happened right here. But yeah, make sure your surface is nice and clean and make sure there's no stickers or anything on your surface so your paint will have a nice thin even layer. And you can do coat after coat just to cover up anything that you don't want to see through the other side, because I'm going to have a whole nother design, so I can't be seeing these little baby animals, as adorable as they are. They gotta go. But yeah, once that layer was done, I just checked everything over and make sure there wasn't any imperfections that I needed to correct, like that. So I went over there again with another layer of gesso just to make sure everything was nice and even before I decided to put my design on. And we do gotta work on that inside as well, but we'll get to that later. For now, more gessoing. Alrighty then, after 4 layers of gessoing later, it's time for the pink. In order to get that iconic pink cover color, I just took a little bit of hot pink and a tiny dot of purple and some white and mixed it all up and slathered it all over the cover of the book. And I know it took about 4 or 5 layers just to get that crisp color that I wanted, but I'm not about to waste your time with none of that. So we're gonna do a little bit of editing magic and we're gonna move right on to the next thing. The actual words on the cover. In order to get the angle of the actual words right, I just printed it out and I just scribbled some of the graphite from the pencil on the back of the paper and then took a ballpoint pen and traced over the outlines of the words, and it left the mark right on the thing. Like, it was the perfect stencil. I found this on a YouTube channel. I don't even remember where, but it worked so perfectly. And then I just drew out the rest of the scribbles on the book and it was so beautiful. Oh my god, y'all, look. Ah! But anyway, I just roughed it up a bit just so it looked a little used, not so brand new, you know? Then once I was done sketching out the outside, I decided to work on the inside. I just took some pretty paper and covered it with some Mod Podge all over the inside, and it gives it a nice soft layer like it was brand new from the store. But you'll never know I made it. Oh wait, yes you will, because I made this video. whatever. Anyway, I moved on to doing that final design, just taking that black and white and filling in all the nooks and crannies of the scribbles on the front of the book, and also for the lips on the back. Once I was finally happy with my design, I covered the book in 3 layers of thick Mod Podge, and make sure it's matte Mod Podge. If you use the glossy one, it has like a tacky, I don't know, it's like a little sticky once it's dry. So make sure you use the matte Mod Podge. And again, I covered it in 3 layers just so I can make sure it's very protected, just in case it gets bumped or knocked or whatever, you know, life. And once that Mod Podge was dry, it was time to move on to the final steps of adding the straps to the bag to make this an actual book bag. Now the straps I used were just a piece of a belt that I had, but the buckle broke off, so I just used pieces from the belt, and I glued it with hot glue and E6000 glue. The hot glue to make it stick right away, and the E6000 to hold it on for a long period of time. And I just strapped those to the sides. And then I took some more pieces with a little bit of Velcro, and I wrapped it around the opening, because I noticed once I put the paper in, it peeped open just a little bit. So I added those straps with Velcro to keep it closed. Finally, I just took the straps off another burst that I wasn't using, and I strapped it onto this burn book bag, and now it's ready to be used. And oh my god, you guys, I'm like fully in love with how this turned out. Gorgeous. Oh my god, you guys, you made it to the end of the video. I'm so excited. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you loved it. I hope it was entertaining. I hope you share it with everybody and tell them how amazing it is, because I feel like it's pretty popping. But yeah, I hope you leave a comment and let me know what's up. Tell me how you feeling about it, if you like it, if you don't like it. And hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And yeah, I ain't got nothing to say. Until next time, you guys, I'm wishing you all love, peace, and cupcakes. Bye.